Hi guys, hi YouTube family, hi guys, hi my people, my YouTube family. I'm so thankful for you guys. Thank you for the love you moving, guys. Thank you guys, thank you so much guys. So today guys, we have another video. Na kuna mtu alinikomentia kaniambia stop saying hi guys sana. I'm going to try and stop it. So today we're going to do another cooking video, of course. That's all about it here in this YouTube channel, and I want to show you guys how to cook mashed potatoes. Let me show you guys the ingredients. As I said, we're going to do mashed potatoes. Here are the few ingredients that you need. It's such an easy dish, by the way. You need potatoes, of course, some spring onions. If you're doing mash, please use this onion. Don't use the purple one or the white one. Use this spring onion. We have a bunch here of dhania. We have some cooking oil, black pepper, royco. I have royco, but if you have cubes, the better. I'm using margarine, and I have only 3 cloves. This is so optional, but if you want your dish to be top notch, kindly use it. And we have a glass of milk. So guys, our first step, what we're going to do is going to prepare all these things, and then I'll show you guys the next step, and I know you're going to follow, guys. And guys, remember to like, comment, subscribe, share, and all the good stuff, guys. Let's get to 1,000 subscribers. We can do it, guys. So let's do it. Let's prepare the potatoes first. Let's peel the potatoes, and in the comment section you can tell me what you use to peel your potatoes. For me, which one do you use? Do you use this one, the peeler, with the knife? I feel I'm more slower when using this, so I use my knife. So let's do it, guys. But this one has a lot of work. I'm going to show you guys in a different video, by the way, what this is used for. So let's prepare our potatoes, guys. So guys, I've already peeled my potatoes, cleaned them, and now putting them on the fire. And here guys, we're going to add enough salt for it to taste, because we don't want the potatoes to be bland. So I've added in some salt, and let's now wait for the potatoes to soften. As if they do that, let's prepare the other ingredients, guys. ready. And when you want to know when they are ready, you take either a knife or a fork, and then you see, and it goes through. You just know that your potatoes are cooked. Actually, mine they are overcooked. So let me show you guys the next step, guys. We are going to drain this water and then add in whatever we want to add in. So guys, I hope you're going to follow. Just follow through the video. Let's do this. And then guys, you add in your milk. Kidogo too, for it not to be soggy. Add in your black pepper. Just a pinch depending on the amount of potatoes you have. That's enough for us. And then you add in your margarine. I'm going to use the Prestige one, like this one. So guys, when your spring onion is a bit soft, you add in your garlic, and then you add it in your cube of your rhubarb. And remember, don't add a lot because the potatoes already have salt. And then I will put this takes the mashed potatoes to another level. Okay. This specific onion again, okay. Let me repeat that. Shake it into the potatoes. Add everything in. Continue mashing until it's smooth. I'm going to show you the final results when it's already smooth. So guys, this is after about 7 minutes of mashing. You can see how guys the consistency looks like, guys. Smooth. guys, we are done cooking. You can see guys the way the mash looks nice. So let me plate it up for you guys to see. And it's so creamy guys. It's worth dying for. Then guys we go, and then put it some. Then let me show you guys. We have that with some beef stew. And just like that guys, you have simple cooked mashed potatoes with some beef stew. So yummy. I've tried it. Guys, make sure you tag me on my Instagram. I'm going to put the link there, my handle there. Try my recipe, do everything, get me to 1,000 subscribers guys, so that I can continue plugging you guys to more and more food recipes guys. Bye guys.